Hey, it's Dude. We're at the top of the Orange Cove Mountain. Would you look at that? Cool. You come crew with me too. You could come hike with me too. You can come climb with me too. Alright, here we are. That's where we're climbing up. Not too crazy. That's why with the time that I have, I was like, I could do that. That's the mountain, or I guess kind of mountains when we were driving down, where I was like, is it that? I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time to climb that, but no. It's not over there. But I'm not too sure about something. Am I allowed to climb up? I'll put who gave me, or who actually told me about this and had the idea to come check it out right there at the bottom. He said that people do climb and stuff up here, so. All right, well, it looks like right here we can go up. And as you can see, this trail looks like it goes just straight up. I don't know if I want to do that. We might do, jumping, biting stick. I might do a little bit of zigzagging, so it's not just a straight up whoop, because that seems kind of killer. Whoa, look at that. Yeah. Condor. Or a turkey, no, it's a condor, right? Not a turkey vulture. This is pretty nuts though. I see squirrels running around the rocks. I mean, we're gonna try to go up quite a bit. Lily's calling me. I just had a 20-minute conversation with Beverly on the phone. She's hilarious. All right, let's get to walking. Like I said, I'm gonna go maybe up as much as I can. I mean, I'm gonna go up all the way, but I mean, just in this straightness, it's pretty steep right now. You're gonna start probably hearing. There's the car. That's where we walked in. I was talking to Lily right there. It's pretty steep, crew. It's pretty steep. But I mean, look at that. Oh my gosh. Awesome view. All the groves, orchards, whatever you want to call them. It's very tough to show you how steep this is, IRL. But I'm kind of slipping as I'm going up. I'm doing exactly what I said I wasn't going to do, which is just go, whoa. This is steep. Whoa. Looks like we found a little trail rather than going just straight up. This might be, I'm slipping lots of loose gravel. This might be where cows walk up and down. There we go, that's a lot easier. Oh my gosh. Thanks for the suggestion. No, for real, I really appreciate it, because this is so cool. I know okay, I don't want to go down, I want to go up. So now let's cut back this way. I know it might sound like it might not be fun, but I love this. I love doing this stuff. This is crazy. We still gotta go up, but like I'm saying, I don't know how to show you how steep it is. IRL just doesn't look so steep, I feel like, on camera. Another long shot. Is that what this is? A long shot of down below. Almost at the top. I'm practicing not practicing, I am doing the step rest technique. Oh, we got poops. Poops, it might be rabbit poop, squirrel poop. Do squirrels dump in bolitas? I don't know. We're almost there, and look it. There's a Cruz Azul. No, it's not blue. But now we just gotta traverse over some of these rocks. Watch out for snakes, of course, all the time. Watch out for snakes, crew. Like, what was up here? See? That's weird. And not only that, but how did these rocks get here? Like this. I never get that. Oh, look at that butterfly. But oh, there's another one. Cool. I know, like erosion and all that stuff, right? Why are all the rocks just piled like this? All right, to get up to there, that rock that would be the top. Watch yourself when you walk. Don't mess up an ankle. Or you gotta parkour it. Step, step. Step, step. Very tough. I think I'm gonna have to put you away, crew, because I need both hands. But I mean, look at this. Oh, wow. Far out. We're up here. You're not on the gimbal right now, so if it's shaky, my bad. But yes, look, see? At the top. We done it. Not a big mountain or hill, but at least we could say we've done it. Another mountaintop checked off. I need to drink some agua. I need to drink some Star Wars agua. Star Wars agua always is the best agua. It didn't take too long to get up here. It was crooked right there, my bad. But tiring, snaking up alleviates obviously the straight up, and especially because you'll probably be slipping a good amount. I don't know. I'm sure there is another trail or different trails around here. I don't know which is the main trail on this. I just stopped down there and walked up. There's the carro, but I mean, wow, you could just see for miles and miles and miles. Jungle Cruise reference? Anyone? Anyone? And look at over there, the mountains. That is ridiculous. Let's see if I zoom in, it's gonna look all weird. Wow. I'm not sure if over there is the Mount Whitney portals. Well, now it's all blurry. Where it looks very spiky and stuff. I'm not sure if we can see Mount Whitney from here, if the mountains are too big on this side. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure of a lot of things, crew. But one thing I do know is that this is awesome. Are you getting tired of these shots? I hope not. Now that I'm paying attention, there's a whole lot more ways that I could have came up, and I chose the hardest way to come up. Oh, look there's a marker. All right, we got to go to the marker. I just noticed that. Now it's official. Boom, we touched it. The marker. Even though that's not the highest part of this hill, mountain, whatever you want to call it. It's right there. Taco. Either way, it is now official. And look there's a whole lot easier ways to come up rather than the way that I came up, which was very sketchy on the backside of this. And as I was flying, am I turning you too much, crew? Sorry. As I was flying Zolwig, the drone, there's that trail that you saw, which is not so hard. Again, I didn't really do my research of this. This was literally, I was at home within like 20 minutes. I said, you know what, let's do it. So I didn't really look much, but I'm glad I did come up the way I did because I like challenges. Now let's not mess up our ankle, and hopefully I don't foreshadow something bad. Parkour, parkour, whoa, whoa. I don't know what I'm doing right now. It's a little scary, especially when you're gonna jump into brush like this. You know? Like I said, watch out for snakes. Now, the climb down. Which way should we go? I guess maybe the same way that we came up. Of course. I mean, if I paid attention, right? But do I ever really pay attention, crew? And let's not slip as we go down. See you later, Richard. Oh my gosh, X marks the spot. We found it. I don't know what we found, but we found it. I wasn't gonna record me going down. We're just gonna show up at the car. But, well, first of all, look at it. See what I'm saying? But what if I slip and fall? Now, I'm not saying that that's fun. I'm gonna start going zigzaggy because I don't wanna slip and fall. Yeah, like I said, it's not that I want to, but I feel like if I were to fall and not get it on camera, then that fall would be completely wasted. At least if I'm recording, you all get to laugh. Oh my gosh, this is oh my gosh. This is scary actually going down. And it's much scarier when you're looking at it like this. Ooh, ooh. Oh my god. I was trying to turn the camera back on me, but I was too scared. I couldn't stop myself. I was just going. Hey, if it's not sketchy, I don't like it. Whoa! Alright, we gotta do more. Hold on. Okay, I think we're gonna go this way. I mean, if it's boring, I still like it too. Not boring. In no way this would be boring, but if it, you know, if it... It's still, you. Let's go. Okay. We're kind of done. I'm doing step. Kind of done with the most steepest part. Watch, I fall on like the most flattest part of this. Man. That was awesome. Awesome? Yeah, it was awesome. Crew, thank you so much for hanging out with us today on this most random adventure. I always say random adventure, but a bunch of our adventures are never really planned. It's just think about right at that moment or the night before and let's just go. This was definitely one of those. Watch, I'm gonna fall right here. But thank you so much for hanging out with us. You hanging out with us is something you never ever have to do. If you're hanging out with us on purpose, if you're doing it by accident, if I keep popping up on your feed and you're like, why the heck is this random dude keep popping up? Well, I appreciate you and I thank you so much. And I thank all of you who have newly subscribed to our channel. You're all awesome. If you've been subscribed with us since the beginning, the middle, just barely now, you are all so awesome. I love you all. Thanks for crewing, thanks for adventuring. We have more adventures coming, I promise. On to the next. Oh, recording? Whoa, you're still recording? Why are you recording? Whoa. Yeah, whoa. Like, why the all? Alleviates. Hold on. See you later. What am I? Subscribe with us. I don't know what I was saying.